Golden rectangles appear frequently in nature and art. The ratio of the length to the width of a golden rectangle is 1.1 plus the square root of 5 to 2. Solving a proportion using radicals. Fiddlehead ferns naturally grow in spirals that fit into golden rectangles. What is the width W of the fern shown? So we want to find out this width here. And if it's according to the golden rectangle rule, we'll use the ratio of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 equals 4 over W that we're going to find. So we're going to cross multiply. When we do, we get 2 times 4, which is 8, and W times 1 plus the square root of 5. Solve for W, I'm going to divide both sides by 1 plus the square root of 5. Now I have to solve for W, so I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of 1 plus the square root of 5, which is 1 minus the square root of 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to also do to the top. So I get 8 minus 8 root 5 over 1 minus 5, which is negative 4. When I divide that, 8 goes into, negative 4 goes into 8 negative 2 times, and negative 8 goes into negative 4 positive 2 times. So I get negative 2 plus 2 root 5. When I put it in my calculator, I get about 2.5. Let's do it on our own now. It says a golden rectangle is 12 inches long. What is the width of the rectangle? Write your answer in simplified radical form. So I don't want to put it in my calculator, basically, and round to the nearest tenth of an inch. So then after I write in simplified radical form, then I'm going to put it in my calculator and find out what it is. So I'm going to cross multiply. 2 times 12, which is 24, equals W times 1 plus square root of 5. When I divide that, I get W equals 24 over 1 plus root 5. I'm going to multiply by the conjugate, so that's 1 minus root 5 over 1 minus root 5. And I get 24 times 1 minus root 5 over 1 minus 5. I have to come over here. And I get 24 minus 24 root 5 over negative 4. I can reduce that. So I get negative 6 plus 6 root 5. And so that's simplified radical form. Now I have to put that in my calculator. So let's do that. So I have 6 negative plus 6 times root. Oops, I hit that too fast. So that's 6 negative plus 6. I'll put it in parentheses this time. 5. Oops. Sorry. Let me do 6 times 5 root, close parentheses, and I get 7.4. And I'm sorry, let's look at what is it in, this is in inches, so inches. I hope this helps.